In today's video, we are taking a comment from you, trying to cook things in strange liquids. Guys, we are here in the kitchen today with Kenan. Kenan is going to be helping us out with several of our videos. Kenan, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, for starters, my name is Kenan. That's a good one to know.
I'm really glad that I got it right.
I am a graduate student at Northwestern where I study microbiology. So I'm all about studying the world of germs and what makes us sick and what keeps us healthy.
So this is not science today.
I mean, there's a little science in everything, but not my science.
Not much in today's video. Today's video is based on a comment request that we have seen over and over in several of our YouTube videos where you have asked us to cook things in strange liquids. So we're gonna give it a shot. Here's the basic idea. We saw a comment on several of our videos asking us to cook foods in different sorts of liquids. So today we're going to try that with rice, chicken, and vegetables. All right, so what should we start with? They're all gonna have cook times, but what do you want to start with?
Personally, when I start cooking, I always like to start with the meat.
Okay, perfect. So for the meat, I got V8 original, but also spicy hot V8. Sounds strange, but also I was thinking, okay, cook chicken in like a spicy tomato juice.
I'm really interested though. This could actually taste
okay,
good.
That one maybe. I have some reservations about orange juice and rice, but we'll find out.
We're about to make a new thing.
There you go.
Oh, trying the spice?
That is delicious.
Is it?
Yes, it's really good. Okay. This may actually be okay, guys.
So I've never cooked this way. I'm not much of a chef. Sometimes I just throw it in the crock pot. That's no liquid.
Well, you can boil chicken, so I think we're just boiling it. So you can start throwing chicken in there.
All right.
My main concern for a lot of what we're doing today is the burn factor, because everything has got sugar in it now, so.
I mean, it smells good at least.
Yeah. All right. Call that good for now?
All right.
All right, next up I think we should do rice and the orange juice because I think that might take quite a bit of time here. So this is a rice cooker. It boils and steams the rice for you, makes life very easy. We're gonna go ahead and do 3 cups. It should give us quite a bit.
So what made you decide to go with the pulp-free versus like plus vitamin D or
burn factor? That was the whole thing. As I was looking, I was like, there's pulp in some, and some is like no acid, like it's, you know, or like low acid or vitamin D added. I just want straight orange juice, but I also don't want to burn it if possible. Okay, and then for our third,
I can kind of see it, like veggies.
I can't at all, no.
Veggies have roots, and like, that's part of this word, right?
All right, you wanna go ahead and put veggies in here? And I will put this on the stove with root beer.
I feel like this is going to be the most burn factor.
Oh yeah, this might catch fire, to be honest. Okay, that's probs good. I'll just drink the rest of the root beer.
Please work and be not disgusting.
Please work, you're gonna be disgusting, but please work. Yes, okay, we could boil V8, that's not a problem. Yes, you can boil chicken to cook it, that's also not a problem. The problem here is that when you normally cook chicken breasts, you're not stirring the water. So I'm not going to be stirring the V8, and that's what makes me think this might burn. Now, we honestly just wait. Okay, so everything is now cooked. We did start taking things off the burners at different times because obviously chicken has a different cook time than say steamed broccoli or carrots, and the rice took the longest to actually, you know, boil down and cook. But I think we've got it all now.
This looks like we've got a meal.
It does. Now what does that smell like?
Not good at all. That's right.
Let's take a look. Did we burn the root beer?
Doesn't
No, it
look
did
like
burn.
It's burnt.
Okay. So we might have root beer veggies.
Just hot, syrupy vegetables right now. That's that smell.
Great. Let's go ahead and dish this out.
Yeah.
That looks so appetizing.
There we go.
All right.
Yum.
How excited are you to try this?
Oh, that's soggy. Based on the smell?
Cooked a little too long. You gotta do it though.
0%. Do we have to?
Well, you don't have to, but I do.
Oh.
I have no idea how those got so soft. Because I took them off way before anything else. Why are they so squishy?
Oh, yeah, that texture.
Is just the worst thing that's ever happened in life.
Oh yeah, and you don't like steamed vegetables as it is. But do you taste the flavor in that?
It just tastes like kind of sour now instead. Like, how is it for you?
See, I once tried when I was in high school football boiling my mouthpiece in root beer, and I'm getting reminiscence of that.
Why would you do it?
I thought it would be great to just have root beer all the time on the football field.
Did it work at all?
It tasted disgusting.
Okay.
For a day.
Good job. Proud of you.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say no, don't cook things in root beer. What do you think?
Yeah, I would not recommend it. This is not great. Maybe the carrot will be different.
Carrot's not different.
They're all bad. I've got high hopes for this one.
This one could be really good. Let's see.
Like, it already smells like tomato soup. Like, a little grilled cheese would go great with this.
Chicken cooked in V8.
Spicy V8.
It's already just sort of peeling apart beautifully the way it's like, you're supposed to be able to shred chicken if you boil it. As far as I'm concerned, that's the only time you should ever boil chicken, is if you're shredding it for something else.
Oh, I'm gonna go for this big one. I trust in
boy.
this. I trust in it.
You trust this one?
V8 chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. Not bad. Yeah.
Nate, do you want to try?
I was in the studio as it cooked and I could smell it, and it just straight up smelled like tomato soup.
It's actually really, really good. I'm gonna dunk more into the V8 actually,
Ooh, I like that.
That's very good. I cooked a little long. It's a little too not
A little chewy.
Yeah, a little too much, but
Well, like flavor-wise,
yeah.
Very mild.
but not bad.
No.
Try one of these.
Those were boiled in
Only
root
one way
beer.
to find out.
It was cooked for 8 minutes. I don't know why it's that texture. There's no good reason to steam your veggies in broccoli. See,
Steamed in root beer.
Yes.
there's like an acidic flavor, like almost kind of bitter, which is bizarre. Oh, you're trying that before
Oh, you're
we are.
going.
Oh no.
Right for it.
Oh no.
Smell.
We have no idea what
Just
this is
point out
like.
the smell. I'm not even gonna comment on it. I'm gonna try it, and I'm just gonna let you try it without me reacting.
Oh.
Okay, so now we've got to know. Normally when you steam rice, it's not still this wet or soggy.
It's orange rice. I feel like this is the thing now. If somebody brought this to like my house and didn't tell me what it was, I'd be like, oh, that's an interesting dish. You don't feel that way.
I don't feel like what we've done here is acceptable. I feel like it might be a crime against nature.
Wow.
However, I am going to try it with a piece of chicken.
Better? Worse?
Okay, mix a little bit of that chicken in with the
buy it?
rice. It's, yeah.
All right.
All right, so this is a very strange meal that we've made. It's edible, but you might not necessarily want to eat it all.
That is the best way to describe this.
It's all edible, you just might not want to. Guys, this was a comment from you. Is there anything else you want us to see us do with weird food? Let us know in the comments below.
Hopefully it tastes a little bit better than this.
Please.
Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like this kind of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button down there so you never miss out on the fun.